How to unpack and handle the CX screw compressor. Tools: cutter, screw gun or ratchet, 17mm socket, 24mm socket, 14mm fixed range, 24mm fixed range, Phillips screwdriver, measuring tape, crane with suitable lifting equipment for forklift truck, personal protective equipment, safety helmet, protective glasses, protective gloves, safety shoes. Attention! Keep and read the instructions manual carefully, and always respect the safety warnings indicated. Attention! This video shows a CX0 compressor. How to unpack the compressor. Check the label on the compressor's packaging and make sure that it corresponds to what's indicated on the packing list. Check the condition of the packaging to verify that no damage has occurred during the transport and that's therefore intact. With a cutter, cut and remove the straps from the packaging. Lift the box and remove it to reveal the compressor. How to check the supply status of the compressor. Check that the serial number shown on the packaging label corresponds to the serial number shown on the compressor label. Check that all the accessories contained in the packaging corresponds to what's indicated on the packing list. In this case, the following material is supplied as standard and it is fitted at the factory. 3 230-volt AC coils, 1 230-volt AC 300 watts heating element. Using a Phillips screwdriver or a screw gun, open the junction box and check that it contains spare gasket kit, temperature probe, vibration damper support kit, nut and washer kit for electrical connection, Crewon module with terminal block, connectors for solenoid valves. Handling the compressor. To prevent moisture, air or impurities from penetrating, the compressor was charged with nitrogen before leaving our warehouse. Therefore, make sure that the compressor contains pressurized nitrogen by pressing the shredder valve on the T-pressure fitting or by removing its hexagonal cap with a 14mm fixed wrench. Attention! Never depressurize the compressor completely. Keep it under nitrogen pressure as long as possible, even during assembly. Risk of damage to the eyes and skin. Always wear safety goggles. If, for any reason, the compressor needs to be depressurized, restore the nitrogen pressure as soon as possible to 2 bar to prevent air, moisture or dust from entering. Only charge with OFN type nitrogen, oxygen-free. Using a screw gun, unscrew and remove the screws securing the compressor to the pallet. If a screw gun is not available, use a ratchet with a 17mm socket. To move the compressor, it's necessary to use a crane equipped with a suitable lifting and handling equipment. If a crane is not available, use a forklift or a suitable lifting tool. For handling operations, use the anchor point of the compressor. Always use steel chains or equipment capable of lifting at least 2,000 kilos each, but not less than twice the weight of the compressor. Attention! Make sure that the rope or chain does not touch any solenoid valves, oil capillaries, the oil heating element, the temperature sensor, any electrical terminals, etc., to avoid possible damage to the compressor. Do not allow the painted surface of the compressor to come into contact with the ropes or chains during lifting. How to position the compressor? Attention! The compressor must always be secured, fastened to a frame capable of withstanding the static and dynamic forces generated by it. Attention! In this case of marine applications, the environment might be much more aggressive than in normal application. In this case, it may be necessary to use a special type of protective paint. Take the package containing the vibration damper support kit and check its contents. In this case, we find 4 square vibration damper supports, 4 M16 screws, 4 washers, 4 self-locking nuts. Place the vibration damper support in the top part of the base. Position the compressor and, in the lower part, insert the bolt upwards. At this point, in the upper part, insert the rubber washer, the iron washer and the self-locking nut. Using a 24mm fixed range and a ratchet with a 24mm socket, secure everything carefully. The tightening of the bolt can be considered complete when approximately 1mm of the vibration damper support thickness has been reached. Pipe welding preparation phase. Using a 14mm wrench, check that there is no nitrogen in the compressor by unscrewing the pressure fitting cap. Having performed the check, carefully close the pressure fitting cap again. Attention! For compressor supplied without a suction cap, a tank with a sealing disc is installed. Before connecting the piping, remove the sealing disc. Using a screw gun with a 24mm socket, unscrew the 4 screws securing the tank to the compressor body. The suction line must be made in such a way as to prevent the return of large quantities of oil or liquid refrigerant when the compressor stops. Attention! When the system is stopped, the compressor must always be at a higher temperature than any other component in the circuit at any time of the year. The oil heating element, equipped with a thermostat, must always be switched on when the oil temperature is below 70 degrees Celsius. Always use new gaskets, supplied by Frascold, after welding the pipes. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and discover all Frascold's video trainings. Frascold, blue is better.